How you doing, viewers? Nice to see you back. Okay, we've got what is it, Tuesday the 18th of April 2018, and we've had to race down here. We're going to try and do some work, but unfortunately due to man-made weather circumstances, we have a storm coming in. The radars went berserk last night as they started pushing massive amounts of energy into the atmosphere. I was told about the radar late yesterday afternoon, early last night, and then I looked at the radar and seen the three specific radars were turned on and were geared up. And of course today, yes, rain. There wasn't anything on the radar at all yesterday, nothing. It was beautiful blue sky everywhere, all over Australia, well, most of Australia, and especially the east coast. But today, yeah, rain's already come, and more rain to come in yet. And we're ready. We've painted most of the steel. We've still got 6 pieces to do there, and there's another 8 pieces coming, which will come tomorrow. But yeah, we've painted them up with a 2-pack epoxy. Beautiful the way the water beads on there. The plastic. I love the feel of the epoxy. Really does a good job protecting the steel. But we've got most of these marked ready for this first unit, and we wanted to start cutting and start putting steel up. Of course, with that storm coming, which isn't far away now, it'll be here in the next 30 minutes. So we might go have some breakfast, wait for the storm to go over, and hopefully that's it for the day, and we can get back to work. Alright, so I thought I'd let you know that. So I'll show you where we're up to. We've only got 3 posts to go. You see those tall ones at the back there? I was 1 post short, which is coming tomorrow. So I've got 2 long ones lying on the ground over there, and I've got 1 more coming. So we can do the last 3 posts over there on that unit, and then all the posts are in. Everything. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully the rain doesn't affect the holes. We've tried to avert the water and see what happens from there. Alrighty, stop me from rattling on. I'll shut my trap and catch you again soon. Okay, thanks for viewing. See you soon. Bye.